Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Discord tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change your Discord profile picture. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Discord. At the moment I don't have a profile picture in Discord, but the procedure is the same whether you want to change your profile picture or use the default picture from Discord like me. I now click on the cogwheel at the bottom left next to my profile name and go to Profiles. Here I click on Change Avatar. Now I can choose whether I want to upload my own picture or use a pre-made GIF from Discord. In this example, I want my own picture. So I select it from my computer and upload it. In this step I have the option to zoom in and crop my picture. But I'm fine with the default size, so I click on Apply, and in the last step I have to confirm the changes by clicking Save Changes. And that's how I changed my profile picture on Discord. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.